Hello guys, we are from Recom System, Faridabad, India, and today we have bring you a 12U outdoor IP55 cabinets from Recom System, and today I will show you the short demonstration of our IP55 outdoor cabinets, which is 12U height, and these cabinets are being used in many infrastructure projects like smart cities, traffic monitoring systems, city surveillance, and fiber terminations, and being used in various other projects also. The provision for this cabinet, inside this cabinet, will be to keep to house network equipment, network switches, routers, etc., and UPS, batteries, and LPUs, and traffic monitoring other equipment also. So we will start from outside. Here you can see one fan, exhaust fan hood. These louvers are actually, this is the heat elimination points. This is a louver. From here I can feel the hot air coming out from the cabinet, and you will see the two butterfly type locks and one padlock provision is here. And other side of the cabinet is fresh air filter section with the outer hood. From inside it's a dual louvered fresh air filter section, and outside it's a metal hood, and inside the another the fresh air filter with the hood, with the louvers. From this side also you will find another fresh air section filters. So two filters we are providing, one from left side and one from right side, and these are the hot air elimination vent. Here the badging of Recom. Here we mention product name, product part code, product serial number, and IP rating, date of manufacturing, etc. Now we'll come to the back side of the cabinet. These are the clamps. This is a welded clamps on the body. One is downside, one is upside, and the U clamps are separately we provide in the cost that is included with the package. And but we here I cannot show you because it's lying somewhere else. And also we provide 50 mm height of legs for the cabinet in case you need to mount it on a ground or a concrete base. So 50 mm legs are already there, and pole mount clamp also we will provide with the cabinet, and you can mount it over the wall also. Now we are going to open this cabinet. We'll see the internal things. Right. Lock number 1, lock number 2, and you will see this is the pretty close. And now we will open the cabinet, and here first of all you will see the LED light. Yes, this LED light will be start once the door will open like this. Through this limit switch we operate this LED light. Yes, like this. And first of all we will see the door. Here you can see two fans are mounted over the doors, and one earthing kit is there with the earthing logo, and dual locks you can see, and nicely mounted wires this way. And now we will come to the front side. You will see the EPDM gasket here to make it to ensure the IP55 rating, and the ingress protection for the dust and other things also, insect and all these things. And the lower part you will see this is the first filter from the left, and another filter from the right side. This is the another filter. And you will see for the demonstration we have kept this UPS 1 kV UPS here, and one battery also. However, we have made the provision for keeping 3 batteries inside this cabinet. The maximum we can keep 3, even 4 also we can house these batteries here. But with the 4 batteries and UPS, we will recommend you to mount this cabinet on the ground, because the weight is matter and depend on the strength of the pole and the wall. Actually it can take a load of 4 batteries and UPS also, but it depend on completely, it's not only depend on the cabinet strength, it's depend on the pole strength also and the wall strength also. So take care of mounting. And then again we come to the front side. This is the 6 socket 5 ampere power distribution unit with the on off button and fuse. Normally we provide this PDU with the cabinet, but in case anyone need with the MCB and indicator and with the 5 and 15 ampere both socket, we provide that also. And this is actually lower compartment you can see is dedicated for keeping battery and UPS, and upper compartment you will see it's a 6U or 7U something height we have given for the standard 19-inch rack mount equipment like switch, router or firewall, any DVR, NVR, or anything which is industrial standard like 19-inch rack mount that can be easily mounted on these mounting rails. Also we have provide this tray to keep any non-rack mount equipment, like sometime LPU, people keeps LPU here for the traffic monitoring equipment and some other equipment also. So this is all about our IP55 outdoor cabinets, and we provide certification of IP55 if the quantity is in good amount, and we have standard certifications for the IP55 also. Normally we have already keep ready with us for the small quantities if somebody ask us to provide the certification. But in case you have any special requirement and you need your particular product to be certified from any NABL or any government lab, so we can provide that too. So guys, this was all about our Raycom 12U IP55 outdoor cabinets. Height and dimension can be customized as per the application and as per the numbers of equipment. So customization is always easy for us, any dimension or any design. This is the complete internal look. This design actually we have made for smart cities applications and city surveillance, CCTV surveillance, and for traffic monitoring also, like ICT projects, ATMS, ITMS projects. Yeah, these cabinet serve all the purpose. Yes, definitely height and the cabinet height and dimension, width, depth is always depend upon the site requirement and the numbers of equipment inside. So we can anytime we can customize the cabinet. Thank you so much.